40 days and 40 nights since I've sat right down and cried. Keep raining all the time.
Is this paradise or a pair of dice? Should I toss them and hope they land on beautiful Hawaiian weather? I already have an idea on the odds of them coming up. BHW, that is beautiful Hawaiian weather. It's this damn global warming, or maybe something Trump has drummed up that will be profitable to him in some way. It definitely looks like last year's record for wet weather is about to be broken, if it hasn't already. Last night and this morning has been unbelievable. I was awakened at 12:30 a.m. by the sound of what seemed to be a waterfall this house was under. I couldn't go back to sleep due to the intensity of it increasing. This is what it sounded like at my awakening. Here's what it sounded like at 8 a.m. and it's still going on the same. It seems an impossibility that it could increase beyond where it is now. I just hope I can find an ARC kit at Amazon Prime in case I may need it during this 40 days and 40 nights thing going on here.